Welcome, my friends. Today, I want to talk to you about a truth that many people do not like to hear. It is not a negative truth. It is a real truth. And this truth can change your life. Many people believe that life should be easy. They believe that success should come quickly. They believe that happiness should arrive without pain. They believe that good things should come without effort. This is a very comfortable belief, and that is why people love it. From a young age, we hear messages like, follow your passion and everything will work. Believe in yourself and success will come. Be patient. Good things take time. These sentences sound nice. They feel good. But they often hide an important part of the truth. Social media makes this lie even stronger. We see people showing money, cars, travel, and perfect lives. We see short videos of success stories. No struggle, no pain, no hard work. Movies do the same thing. The hero suffers a little, then wins everything. The story ends quickly. We do not see years of effort. We do not see failure after failure. Slowly, this creates a dangerous idea in our mind. The idea is simple. Success should be easy. If it is hard, maybe it is not for me. This lie enters many parts of our life. People want money, but they do not want to work long hours. People want strong bodies, but they do not want exercise. People want happiness, but they avoid responsibility. People want to speak English fluently, but they do not want to practice daily. They say, I am waiting for the right time. They say, I will start tomorrow. They say, it should be easier than this. But life does not work this way. Learning English is a clear example. Many learners watch videos every day. They read books, they listen carefully, but they are afraid to speak. Why? Because speaking is uncomfortable. Because mistakes feel painful. Because confidence is not free. The truth is simple, but powerful. Nothing valuable comes without effort. Nothing meaningful comes without discomfort. Nothing strong is built without struggle. This does not mean life is cruel. It means life is honest. The problem is not that effort exists. The problem is that no one prepares us for it early. When you understand this truth, you stop feeling angry. You stop feeling confused. You stop asking, why is this so hard? Instead, you say, this is the price, and I can pay it. And this is where real growth begins. After we understand the comfortable lie, we need to see the real world. The real world works in a very simple way. Everything has a price. When people hear the word price, they think about money. But in life, money is only one type of price. Most important prices are not paid with cash. They are paid with time, effort, energy, patience, and discipline. Every dream has a cost. Every skill has a cost. Every change in your life has a cost. If you want to learn English, the price is clear. You must give time every day. You must practice even when you feel tired. You must speak even when you are afraid of mistakes. This is the price of progress. If you want success, the price is comfort. You must wake up early. You must work when others are resting. You must continue when motivation disappears. If you want happiness, the price is responsibility. You must control your actions. You must face problems instead of running away. You must grow as a person. Many people want the result, but they reject the price. They say, I want confidence, but they avoid situations that make them uncomfortable. They say, I want a better life, but they refuse to change their habits. Life always offers a choice. You can pay the price now or you can pay later, but you will always pay. When you avoid effort today, you pay with stress tomorrow. When you avoid learning, you pay with missed chances. When you avoid discipline, you pay with regret. Even doing nothing has a cost. Staying in the same place is not free. Time still moves, life still changes, and opportunities still pass. This is why understanding the price is important. It makes life clearer. It makes decisions easier. You stop asking, "Why is this happening to me?" And you start asking, "What price am I willing to pay?" Successful people are not lucky. They simply accept the price early. They know that pain now is better than pain later. They know that discipline today creates freedom tomorrow. When you understand this, your mindset changes. You stop waiting for easy paths. You stop searching for shortcuts. You stop hoping for free rewards. You begin to respect effort. You begin to respect time. You begin to respect yourself. Because in this world, nothing is free. But when you pay the right price, the reward is real. Now, my friends, let's talk about something very important. Many people want success, happiness, and comfort. But many people do not want effort. They do not want to work hard. They do not want to face mistakes. They want easy paths. They hope that life will give them everything for free. This hope is natural. It feels good. It makes people comfortable. But it comes with a hidden cost. The cost is much higher than effort itself. When you avoid effort, problems grow bigger. Small problems today become big problems tomorrow. If you do not practice English every day, you will struggle later. If you do not save money, you will face stress later. If you do not work on your health, you will pay with illness later. Many people think, "I will try later. I will start tomorrow. It is too hard now." But tomorrow comes, and the same feeling appears again. And the problem becomes heavier. Opportunities pass. Time moves. Life does not wait. This is the real cost of avoiding effort. It is not the time you spend now. It is the regret, stress, and lost chances later. For example, imagine a student learning English. He watches videos every day. He reads books. He listens to lessons. But he never speaks. He is afraid of mistakes. He is comfortable listening only. At first, it feels safe. But months pass, and he realizes, "I understand English. I read and listen well. But I cannot speak. I cannot join conversations. I miss job opportunities." The price he avoided paying, speaking and making mistakes, is now very high. He has lost time. He has lost confidence. He has lost chances. Life works this way in many areas. Avoiding effort never saves you. It only delays the payment. And later, the price is higher. Successful people are different. They do not avoid effort. They embrace challenges. They make mistakes. They feel uncomfortable. They pay the price early because they know the cost of effort is small. The cost of avoiding it is huge. Avoiding effort creates fear. Avoiding effort creates hesitation. Avoiding effort creates doubt. And these feelings can stop you from achieving your dreams. But here is good news. You are not late. You can start today. You can accept the effort. You can pay the price now. When you do, life becomes easier later. Opportunities come to you. Confidence grows. Your dreams become real. The choice is simple. You can avoid effort and pay a high price later. Or you can face effort today and enjoy rewards tomorrow. Nothing in life is free. Avoiding effort is never free either. Now, my friends, let us talk about the good part of life. The good part is that you can choose the price you pay. You can choose effort today or regret later. You can choose to work hard now or struggle in the future. Paying the right price is not easy at first. It may feel uncomfortable. It may feel challenging. It may feel like a lot of work. But the truth is simple. The right price is always smaller than the price of regret. Let's take learning English as an example. Many learners want to speak fluently. They want confidence. They want opportunities. But speaking English is not free. It requires practice every day. It requires making mistakes. It requires listening, reading, and repeating. It requires courage. Some learners wait for the perfect moment. Some learners wait until they feel ready. But there is no perfect moment. There is only now. When you pay the right price, speaking daily, practicing, learning new words, listening to native speakers, you grow. You gain confidence. You gain skill. You gain freedom to communicate with the world. The same principle works in life. If you want success in work, you must work when others rest. If you want health, you must exercise even when you feel lazy. If you want money, you must invest effort and patience. Paying the right price does not mean pain without purpose. It means effort with a plan. It means small actions every day. It means understanding that your future is built by your choices today. The right price is like planting a tree. You water it every day. You give it sunlight. You protect it from harm. At first, it looks small. At first, it seems slow. But one day, it grows tall. It gives shade. It gives fruit. Life works the same way. Effort now brings freedom, reward, and confidence later. Most people fear effort because they only see the hard part. They forget to see the reward. They forget that discipline today creates happiness tomorrow. They forget that small daily steps lead to big success. Paying the right price also teaches patience. It teaches consistency. It teaches humility. It teaches courage. And here is the most important point. Paying the right price builds self-respect. When you know you gave your best, you feel proud. You feel confident. You feel ready for bigger challenges. Friends, remember this. The world does not give anything for free, but it gives opportunities to those who are willing to pay the right price. The key is simple. Start today. Take small steps every day. Face discomfort, mistakes, and fear. Keep going. Trust the process. When you pay the right price, life becomes easier later. When you pay the right price, doors open. When you pay the right price, freedom, confidence, and success are yours. Nothing in this world is free. But when you pay the right price, you own your life. And owning your life is the greatest reward of all. Now, my friends, it is time to see life in a new way. It is time to understand the truth that many people never see. Life is not unfair. Life is honest. Life always gives back what you put in. Nothing is free in this world. Not money, not success, not happiness, not confidence. Everything has a price. Everything requires effort, time, and patience. Many people complain about life. They say, "Why is life so hard? Why do I have to work so much? Why can't success come quickly?" These people do not see the truth. They do not see that life is asking them to pay a price. They do not see that hard work now is freedom later. They do not see that effort today is reward tomorrow. When you understand this, your mind changes. You stop thinking of life as a burden. You start seeing life as a fair teacher. You start seeing challenges as opportunities. You start seeing effort as a way to grow. Imagine a young learner of English. At first, speaking is difficult. At first, mistakes are embarrassing. At first, fear is strong. But when the learner accepts the price practice, courage, repetition, the fear disappears. Confidence grows. Fluency grows. The learner begins to enjoy English. Opportunities open. Life becomes easier. This is the same for every dream in life. If you want health, you must exercise. If you want money, you must work and learn. If you want happiness, you must face challenges and take responsibility. Life rewards action. Life rewards courage. Life rewards patience. It does not reward excuses. It does not reward waiting. It does not reward hope without effort. Friends, the real power is understanding that you can choose your path. You can choose to pay the price today and enjoy freedom later. Or you can avoid effort today and pay a higher price with regret later. When you make this choice consciously, your life changes. You become stronger. You become confident. You become unstoppable. Remember this, the world is honest, not unfair. Nothing is free, but everything is possible. When you are willing to pay the price, the world becomes your teacher. The world becomes your friend. The world gives back what you put in. This is the new way to see life. From now on, do not fear effort. Do not fear challenges. Do not fear mistakes. See them as the price of growth. See them as the path to success. See them as the way to your dreams. When you pay the price, you own your life. You control your future. You create your success. Nothing is free in this world, but everything is possible for those who are willing to pay the price. And this is the greatest lesson for life and for learning English. Take action. Practice. Make mistakes. Keep going. Pay the price, because when you do, your life will never be the same again.